School to pay $1 million after boy who ate teacher's snack died.
This is very relatable.
Was it nuts? They didn't say that it was nuts.
It looks like nuts.
It looks like nuts, I assume. I don't know if that's even a picture, though, of the actual bar, because I don't know.
Oh, okay.
He ate it. But anyway, Nebraska School District has agreed to pay $1 million to the family of an 8th grader who died after eating a granola bar given to him by a teacher. The school board will vote on the wrongful death settlement with parents of Jaggershaw 14 at its meeting Monday night. Few details about what happened last May are included in court documents because the settlement was reached through a probate court process and not a civil lawsuit. His parents declined to comment, but his father said in a Facebook post that Jagger's teacher at Liberty Middle School offered him a granola bar after he asked to go to the office for a snack. Which I'm not sure if that's a common thing. The schools tend to be super crazy and careful with the, not crazy, careful. Crazy careful is what I meant to say, with the nuts. The nut allergies. And like having the list of anybody with the allergies.
Maybe the teacher just wasn't thinking. Like probably ate these granola bars every day, didn't think about it.
Oh, for sure. I don't think it was, obviously it's a mistake. It's a terrible mistake, obviously. And the teacher said, you can have one of my granola bars. So the student says, I'm hungry. Can I go to the office for a snack?
And the teacher probably thought he was doing I
didn't even realize that was a move. I never went to the office and got a snack.
Maybe a vending machine.
Can you imagine? You go over there, you're like, hey, I need a snack. He'd be like, okay, what are you talking about? Anyway, so he took it and got halfway through eating it and felt like he was having an allergic reaction.
No EpiPen.
Oh my God. Yeah, no, they hit him with it.
Oh, they did.
They first gave him Benadryl. It didn't help. Then the nurse gave the epinephrine shot with the EpiPen. And he was taken by ambulance to the hospital, but then died. So I guess it was all
too late.
It was all happening too fast, and they should have hit the EpiPen right away, I guess. Oh boy, I mean, brutal. Obviously, brutal story.
There are EpiPens in schools, right? They have to.
They have to.
Yeah, in
they
the
have
office
to.
Or something.
I'm surprised they went to reach for the Benadryl first. They didn't realize the severity of it and whatever else, but. The allergies are serious stuff, I guess. You know, you gotta. It's almost like, you know how sometimes you have some people wear the bracelet for medical conditions. So it's a constant reminder if they have a seizure or something. It's like, oh, you have the bracelet. You look at it, and you get some insight into the thing. It's almost like, I mean, I don't know. I'm just trying to think of ways you could avoid it. If you had a very severe peanut allergy to the point of death, and you're a kid, it would almost be helpful as a reminder to people around you if you had some sort of indicator for that. I know they're supposed to make a list, and they probably have a list in the office somewhere. And
it's gotten a lot more severe, the letting everyone know that there's allergies. Because I remember back in my day, it wasn't that severe.
Back in our day, you could bring peanut butter on a sandwich to school. You can't do that anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Times changed.